look at this question, the question 1.1.1. So this is how you can predict the very first question of the exam. The very first one of question 1.1.1, solve for x, most of the time is always a quadratic equation. If you look back to the past few video I did, it's all about first question 1.1 of there's one idea about of 2000, November 2020. There's May, June of 2025 that I did. You might notice that all of the first question is quadratic equation, and then this is for 2024. Yeah, 2024 November, grade 12 senior certificate. So if you have it downloaded already on your phone or your computer, if you have access to the PDF, you will notice that the previous two video was about May, June 2025 and then November 2020. So the very first question is you can see the patterns now. The core similarities now here is they are all quadratic equation. They are all quadratic equation. So the one I'm working on this video, the very first one here, for the 2024. Yeah, this one is actually freebie. It's very easy to solve because it's already factorized quadratic equation. So let's get into it. So you don't have to expand it anymore. So what happens? Many people make mistake here. So let's see for this question. X, hold on. X, no. Let me use a very smooth pen. Let me try this out. Hold on. X into x minus 3 equal to 0. Right? So many people try to use expansion, which is waste of time, like x multiplied by x squared minus 3x. Expansion is just a waste of time. You don't need to do that. Let's clear this out. So x minus 3 is 0. So what you apply now is a zero product property. When you say this already factorized quadratic equation, so you assume that x equal to 0 and this other side equal to 0, in the sense that x equals to 0 or x minus 3 equals to 0, right? So you find a way to separate the like times. You collect the like times, you push the negative straight to the other side. So you'll be having x equals to positive 3, right? When you get to the other side of the equation. So now, solve for x. Your x is either 0 or 3. So just check, we have to check the memorandum to see the answer, correct answer to this. Very simple, right? I also have the memorandum download. I downloaded it on internet, free source. You might want to use internet to Google or AI to find it, or if you request for the link, I will give it to you. Comment below. So this is the memorandum for the present mathematics past question we're working on, which is November 2024. So the first question, which is you see, it was just so we are correct by our answer. So if you want more explanation on the steps, like you didn't get it right, you might want to send me a private message requesting for one-on-one tutorial, or I can still provide some details on the factorization and the type of step you need to take. Yeah, thank you. See you on the next question.